Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 8. This is part B chemistry, part 2 key answers. In the previous video we have answered all the questions related to physics. Now let us move for the chemistry part. The first question of the chemistry part, we have to answer from the fifth main. The gas liberated when acid reacts with metal bicarbonate: oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. So among these four options, the right option is when acid reacts with metal bicarbonate, it releases a gas called carbon dioxide. So for the fifth main, the first question, eighth question is, the right option is option C, that is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is the gas released when acid reacts with metal bicarbonate. So metal bicarbonate with acid will give rise to salt, water, and releases a gas called carbon dioxide. So now let us move for the ninth question. So the ninth question is, so brain is and dash. So brain is and dash aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, aqueous solution of sodium carbonate, aqueous solution of sodium chloride, aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate. Among these four options, the right option is option C. So brain is an aqueous solution of NaCl, that is sodium chloride. So now let us move for the sixth main. So sixth main, 10th question. So what is acid rain? So what is acid rain? If the pH of rainwater is less than if the pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is termed as acid rain. So now let us move for the seventh mean. So let us answer seventh mean. That is 11th question. In that one, two sub questions are there. So let us answer both the sub questions. So why copper sulfate crystal loses its color on heating? Explain with example. So it is not example. Explain with equation. We have to explain with equation. So why copper sulfate solution loses color on heating? Explain with example. So let us explain with equation. So copper sulfate CuSO4 5H2O. That is, it contains 5 water molecules. So when we heat it, it loses 5 molecules of water and it will become CuSO4. So this is an equation. So because it loses water molecules when it is heated, so its color changes. Actually it is blue in color. So when we heat it, its color changes because it loses water molecules. So in that one only, one more question is there, B. So let us answer that question also. Why POP is stored in a moisture proof container? That is plaster of Paris. So why plaster of Paris is stored in a moisture proof container? Because to avoid POP, to become a hard mass, called gypsum. To avoid POP to become a gypsum, it is kept in a moisture proof container. So this is answer for 11th A and B. Now let us move for the next 12th question. So the 12th question is, A gas X reacts with lime water and forms a compound Y, which is used as a bleaching agent in chemical industry. Identify X and Y. Give the chemical equation of the reactants involved. So now here one clue is given in this question. What the compound Y we are getting, that is used as a bleaching agent. ಅಗರ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ now. So it is a 12th question. So now according to the question, a gas X. So X gas is there. This gas when reacts with lime water, so CaOH taken twice, so it forms a compound Y, and this compound is used as a bleaching agent in chemical industries. Then that gas X is carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide, sorry, that gas is chlorine. So chlorine gas, when that chlorine gas is passed through lime water, so it will become CaOCl2 plus water. And here X is chlorine. So X is the name of the gas is called chlorine gas, and the compound Y, the compound Y is called as bleaching powder. The compound Y is called as bleaching powder, or it is calcium oxychloride. So like this we have to answer. The name of the gas X is chlorine, and the name of the compound Y is bleaching powder, which is used as a bleaching agent in chemical industries. So now let us move for that is 8th main. So in 8th main, let us move for the 13th question. So in 13, three sub questions are given. So let us answer all the three sub questions. So the question is like this. Name the compound which is obtained from baking soda and is used to remove hardness of water. ನೇಮ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಪಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರನ್ನ ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ? ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡು ನಾವು ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾಯಿಂದ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ. So this washing soda we are getting from baking soda, and this washing soda is used to remove hardness of water. So for the first question the right answer is washing soda. In a ಎರಡನೇ question ಇದೆ, ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ write its chemical formula. So ಅದರದ್ದು chemical formula ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So it will become Na2CO3. Then what happens when it is recrystallized from its aqueous solution? So when it is recrystallized, it will become Na2CO3 10H2. So this is how to answer 13th question. Now let us move for the 14th one. So 14th question is, name the product formed in each case when HCl reacts with caustic soda, granulated zinc reacts with caustic soda, carbon dioxide is passed into lime water. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಮೂರಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 14th and the last main of chemistry part. So first, what happens when HCl reacts with caustic soda? So HCl and caustic soda is nothing but sodium hydroxide. So base, acid with base neutralization, it forms a product called sodium chloride and water. So what is the name of the compound formed here? The name of the compound formed here, it is called as, the product formed here, it is sodium chloride. Then the second question is, when zinc granulated zinc when reacts with caustic soda, that is Zn, when reacts with caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide, it forms Na2ZnO2 plus H2O. So Zn plus 2 NaOH give rise to Na2ZnO2. So it releases a gas called that is hydrogen gas will be released. When zinc granule reacts with caustic soda, so it forms a salt and releases hydrogen. and the name of the salt is sodium zincate. The name of the salt is sodium zincate. Then the third reaction, what happens when carbon dioxide is passed into lime water? So carbon dioxide, when it is passed into lime water, CaOH taken twice, it forms CaCO3 plus H2O. The CaCO3 is the name of the product is called as, it forms a white PPT, and that white PPT is insoluble in water, and hence it is called, it is calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate is formed. So what is the name of the product? Calcium carbonate. So HCl with caustic soda, the product is sodium chloride. Zinc with caustic soda, the product is sodium zincate. Carbon dioxide when passed over lime water, so the product is calcium carbonate. So like this we have to answer these questions. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to chemistry part B of class 10 science practice paper number 8. In the next video we are going to answer for part C biology. Thanks for everyone for your great support. So still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So till then, thank you very much.